In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy websites and funnels in Gohighlevel 2026, step by step. We're going to walk through the process of cloning both a funnel and a website inside Gohighlevel so you can duplicate existing assets quickly without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is especially useful if you want to reuse a layout, keep branding consistent, or create a variation for another location. First, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. This part matters, because if you're in the wrong account, you may not see the funnel or website you want to copy, and your clone could end up in the wrong place. Once you're in the right sub-account, click on Sites. From there, start with the Funnels section. Inside Funnels, find and select the funnel you want to duplicate. After choosing the correct funnel, click the three-dot menu beside it to open more options, then click Clone. A cloning window will appear. Here, enter the new funnel name. Try to use a clear name so you can easily recognize the copy later, especially if you manage multiple versions. After naming it, select the location where you want the cloned funnel to go. Once everything looks right, click Confirm. Now give it a moment. The platform may take a little time to process the duplication, so wait until the cloned funnel appears in the list. If it doesn't show instantly, a short pause is normal. After that, we'll repeat a very similar process for websites. Click on Websites inside the same Sites area. Then select the website you want to copy. Once you've found the right one, click the three-dot menu next to it and choose Clone. When the website clone window opens, add the new website name. As with funnels, it helps to use a practical name that tells you exactly what this version is for. Then select the destination location for the website copy. When you're ready, click Confirm. That's it. You've now cloned both a funnel and a website in Gohighlevel. The main thing to remember is to always verify the sub-account first, then double-check the name and destination location before confirming. That simple habit can save you time and prevent confusion later. If you follow this process carefully, duplicating assets in Gohighlevel becomes fast, clean, and easy to manage.